planning a trip to Paris? Think it's all about the Eiffel Tower, chic cafes, and romantic strolls? Well, hold on, because in this video, I'm going to share 10 shocking Paris travel tips you must know before you go. Whether it's hidden fees, cultural surprises, or the secret tricks that will make your trip smoother, these tips will help you experience Paris like a pro. Let's dive in. Tip 1. Beware of pickpockets in popular spots. Paris is gorgeous, but it's also famous for pickpockets. Tourist hotspots like the Eiffel Tower, Montmartre, and the metro are top targets. Keep your bag zipped and wear a money belt if you can. This is one of the most overlooked and most important safety tips for visiting the City of Light. Tip 2. Book major attractions in advance. Spontaneous visits might sound romantic, but not in Paris. Lines at the Louvre or the catacombs can last hours without a booking. Save your time and sanity by reserving tickets online before you even leave home. Trust me, skipping the queue is worth it. Tip 3. Know when museums are free and packed. Did you know most Paris museums offer free entry on the first Sunday of the month? That's great, unless you hate crowds. Go early or choose a different day if you want a more relaxed experience. Tip 4. Don't get stuck paying for water. Restaurants often charge for bottled water, but it's fine to ask for une carafe d'eau, a free jug of tap water. It's perfectly drinkable and will save you a few euros every meal. Tip 5. Bring comfortable shoes. You'll walk a lot. Paris is a city made for strolling, but those cobblestone streets will punish your feet if you're not prepared. Skip the heels and go for comfortable sneakers or walking shoes. Your feet will thank you. Tip 6. Avoid taxis at rush hour. Paris traffic is no joke. During rush hour, a short ride can cost you a small fortune and take forever. Use the metro or even a rental bike if you want to beat the jams. They're cheaper and faster. Tip 7. Learn a few French phrases. Yes, many Parisians speak English, but making an effort to say bonjour, merci, and s'il vous plaît goes a long way. You'll get friendlier service and often better treatment if you show respect for the local language. Tip 8. Stay away from scams around tourist sites. If someone tries to sell you a bracelet or asks you to sign a petition, keep walking. These scams are common around Notre Dame, Montmartre, and other landmarks. A polite "no, merci" and moving on is your best bet. Tip 9. Time your visits for sunrise or late evenings. If you want that perfect, tourist-free shot of the Eiffel Tower or the Louvre Glass Pyramid, get up early or go after sunset. You'll enjoy the sights with fewer crowds and amazing lighting. Tip 10. Pack a picnic for the parks and gardens. Paris has some of the most beautiful parks, like Jardin des Tuileries and Luxembourg Gardens. Skip an overpriced restaurant for lunch and do like locals do. Grab a baguette, some cheese, and enjoy a picnic surrounded by stunning scenery. It's affordable and one of the most charming ways to experience the city. Conclusion and call to action. And there you have it, 10 shocking Paris travel tips that will help you see the City of Light like an insider. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more travel tips, and drop a comment telling me your favorite Paris hack. And if you want me to make a video about any other destination, let me know below. I read every comment. Thanks for watching, bon voyage, and I'll see you in the next one.